Hello! So, ito yung fern ko na tinatawag na pako. Which is, you can see that, consumable ito. I have this. And then I have that. Hindi siya. Itong type na ito ng pako is not, fern is not pako. And again, I have here another one. Yan. See? Ayan yung aking pako. Oh! And then I have another one here. The fern. And there. So I hope so. So ito naman yung aking Monstera Thai Conste. So ayan. And I have regular Monstera. So yeah. Gusto ko yung pako. Ayan. Ayan. I like it. It's not hard to take care of it. Pero pag nandito kasi siya sa indoor, yun yung ano. So, kailangan. Oh my God.